Hello and welcome to my Sunday From. Today is a different video, completely different of sorry about that. I thought it was like something going on. So okay, I'm just gonna do like basic makeup and try the new products that I bought. So the first one I bought was LA Colors Mosaic a bronzing powder. So if you can see this, and I'll just try to swatch it. Yeah, it didn't show up. So and next I got these Dragon Rini matte lipsticks, and there's 3 of them. So I got this red one, I got this wine colored one, and I got this one. And this one's more like this is like a deep mauve. This is a nice color. I think I'll use this one because it's more like of a neutral. And so I just got this one in today, and it's I've been wanting to try this forever because I saw it on TikTok, and I've been wanting to try it since forever. It's called FB. It says Red Ginseng Bird's Nest Polypeptide Skin Nourishing Foundation. It's a mouthful, but I've been wanting to try it because they say it's waterproof, like waterproof makeup. Is this one waterproof? Oh, this one it's not waterproof, I don't think. It doesn't say it's waterproof, so I'm gonna think that it's not. But I guess it has a bunch of nice things in it. It's in the color Toffee. It says bring a natural creamy color to the skin. And so it comes with like directions. And here's the pamphlet. And it has a bunch of different languages. It says tips, how to use beauty blenders and mists, and how to get the most for your dollar. But this is the product. And so it's pretty cute. It has like a little crystal flower top. And ooh, this shade's a bit dark, but we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna try this one first. And I have some color that I can like lighten it with. I think I'll do that. This is my Manic Panic Dream Tone. This is a color corrector, so like if you buy a shade that's too deep, you can use this. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on here like so, and just squeeze it together. And I usually just do this like that, and then kind of just like add more if I need to. Oop. Okay. Like this. And so it's nice and mixed, and I'll just go ahead and go in and put it on. And I'll just put it all over my face, on the bottom and on the sides, like here. And then just blend it in. This is a lot of pigment, and they weren't lying. This is a really, 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 wow, it just covers everything. It looks gorgeous. Look at that color. Wow, I didn't expect it to be that nice. I like to get in on the eyebrows because you never know. It just comes out really gorgeous. So, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's really, really dark. And so I'm gonna use the bronzer and see what the bronzer can do to contour. So here's the bronzer going on. And I'll just dab it where I normally do. So that looks really good. Now with this mascara, it's just clear mascara. You just go in and go over your brow just to keep it in place and nice and neat. And at this point, you know, you need to start with trimmed eyebrow, plucked, and just kind of go over your lashes. Separating them as you go along. Just like that. And then you go in with your lip color. and I'm gonna use them here for this one. And then you just go up around. You see if you see the Cupid's bow right here, you just go over it a little bit, because when you go like this, it sticks up a little bit. So make sure you go above it, and then draw it out. Same with the below. Just simple, easy, and if you mess up, go back in and get the spots that you missed. Just easy color. And if you need more like shadow or whatever, you can just go back in and, you know, just do a little bronzer. Like that. And it's just like bare minimum, but you know, like I always say, it's better than nothing. And you know, I think it's better than going out and scaring everybody. I'm not trying to offend nobody, but you know, just like, you just do it up a little bit and voila. I'm gonna order my color, but let's look. So see you guys later. See you guys next on my Son de Frappe.